Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to minimize YouTube on Android. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your phone settings. And then in here, just use the search bar and just type down picture. And then you'll be able to see picture in picture. All right. So go ahead and tap on it. And then once done, find it again. Picture in picture, tap on it. And then after that, just go ahead and make sure that YouTube is enabled. All right. And once that's done, go ahead and close the settings app, open up YouTube, go ahead and swipe up or press the home button, depending on your device. And here you have it. All right. So the other option, if you don't have this feature, okay, as it's only available for United States or some other regions. All right. But if you do have YouTube Premium, well, you can go ahead and enable that feature. Well, the other option is just go ahead and click on this three lines. Make sure that you do have any other apps open. Okay, just click on it. And then find YouTube first if you want to. Tap and hold. And then drop it at the top or at the very bottom or at the center. It's up to you. And then once done, go ahead and select the secondary application, just like so. So you can go ahead and play a video right here. And then browse to Facebook right here as well. So that's basically it. Those are the ways to minimize YouTube on Android. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.